I think that is not easy because maybe 7, 8 team fight for that, but in my idea doesn't change from the beginning. We need to go step by step, improve in our style and our philosophy. I think that we are in a good process, in a right process. We are on time, and my worry now is always to improve and go to the next step. But we need to learn and we need to improve. Still, we need to do that. We need points for stay up on the table. Is for that is important the next game. We have ahead 11 games to finish the season, and I think it's important to be solid and consistent in our result.